Guys, I'm just trying different kinds of Chinese wine, like you can see here.
Yeah.
Different kinds of brands of wine.
Yeah.
You can come to the shop, you can try it. So, this one is from Hong Kong, and I'm actually trying it. I hope I'm not gonna get drunk because I'm drinking too much wine today.
Yeah. 往边是吧
Guys, so today we visited the wine factory. It's like a traditional place, and wine is actually kept here for a lot of years. And the place is so nice, it's so beautiful. It's like one of the touristic sites, and it's here in China. So let's try to explore why they keep the wine like in these traditional pots and then to make it stay for too long. So earlier on, we're gonna try to talk to somebody so they can get more information about the wine and why it is stored in such a way. This is more like a shop for the wine, and these are more like the pots. Inside there is like wine. Maybe some of it has been stored for a lot of years. I don't know like approximately how long.
You want to try this one?
Yeah, sure, we can try it.
And smash the bowl.
Yeah, sure. So like if you drink the wine from here, you have to smash the bowl from here. It's more like a tradition. So we're gonna try the wine, like which has been kept in these pots. If we try it, we're actually gonna smash the bowls, and I've got a lot of questions about it.
There are peach juice.
Oh, peach juice?
Peach juice.
Yeah.
Apple juice.
Yeah.
And the flower.
Yeah, flower.
Yeah, flower juice.
Okay, so different flavors of wine. But why do they keep it like in these bottles like which are here?
Yeah. These bottles are really traditional.
So the more it stays in the bottle, the more it tastes, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is the fish?
Oh yeah, there's a fish there.
Fish.
Yeah. So this is the wine shop, and this is the boss. 5块一个吗？
10块3个。
没有。
10块3个吧。
买5送1，25块6个，你选6个。
25。桂花酿2个。
Okay, so we're gonna try the wine.
有那个米酒。
And here.
米酒吧。
Yeah. So we're gonna try the wine.
没有度数。It's the rice wine.
Okay,
Is it
sure.
okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
2味
rice
米酒
wine.
，2味桃汁，2味青果汁，咋样？
2 rice juice, 2 apple juice, 2 peach juice.
Okay.
Okay.
OK。
Okay 了。
然后到了啊。
可以。So I'm trying to buy some wine. So I'm gonna drink the wine to try to test the flavors, because we're visiting the wine factory. I can't change.
应该喝花你可吃。小野来。
有酒吗？啊？啥酒？
米酒，
米酒。
啊，
白酒有吗？
没有。
这个主要就是甩味儿，而且主是叫大家要放心。
It's gonna be a good adventure, tasting the wine which has stayed for 1,000 years.
我开始了有
So excited. So I'm gonna try different flavors. There's the peach, the corn.
喝多点嘛，喝都喝不饱。
你就
不是只有
这个说白了
甩，
主要是甩这个味儿，不是为了让你喝酒
不要喝，
啊。
那是咱喝的。
米酒啊，
明天喝可以多倒一点。
这批米酒，
不是，这个是米酒。
我这小量大，我傻子。
来甩。
我要米酒多倒一点嘛，喝都喝不饱。
啊？
咋样？
the factory for the wine, and it's been here for a long time. And this is the boss, like she's the one who's like selling me the wine.
Yeah.
I hope I'm gonna enjoy it. Let me try it first.
停，在外边，在站上。
好。
Let's go.
来，我给你站过去，来。
3块9块，我
来，在这边。
掉进了吗？
Okay. Let's. Yeah.
往里面的石头上。好，现在
Okay. 这把你要不要来一个？来 ，this one. Cheers. Cheers.
We'll give you some wine here.
你要不要砸一下？砸进去。Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Wow, so good.
Last one.
Okay.
Cheers, sir.
Okay.
And be happy. And be enjoyable for every day.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Be successful.
Wine is so thirsty.
Yeah.
Right.
So cool, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah.
And so we created a show and everybody was just like watching us drink the wine here. So it's more like 1,000 years wine here. 这个good. It's so interesting, so funny. Like I've really had fun and the wine is so delicious, so tasty. And we're just like in a touristic area here. Those are so friendly and so nice. So let me try to explore. Sir, I'm coming. Let me climb on top. I want to climb on top to take a walk. I'm coming. Let's try to explore this wine factory and see what they have. So they've got the wine bottles here with the traditional boat, and this is the shop where we bought from. Yeah. And then if we come here, this is more like a place where you can sit and chill and have the whole view for the whole city or for the whole wine factory. And then the one we just drank, they keep it like in this area. It usually stays here for a lot of years. And then they've got some chairs here with some persimmons. Guys, thank you so much for joining the video. As we came here to the wine factory, this is where you drink from the wine when you buy.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful, yeah. Sure. And here, there's this beautiful party here, the partner for drinking with some wine. And also another beautiful seat over here on drinking some wine, like on this factory. So I was just trying to tour the wine factory, guys, to show you around so you can have an idea like of this beautiful place. Though there is some wine here, I don't know. Should we try it? Let's try to check like what's on top here. Oh, it's beautiful. It's like a good view place where you can just chill and sit and have fun whilst you're enjoying the view of the city. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video of touring the wine factory where they keep the wine to stay for a lot of years. And yeah, we've tried it. Hopefully you guys have had fun here. Thank you. Hello. Okay. After they make the wine, they actually store it like in this wine house. And they keep different kinds of wines here, like this. I want to try to ask them like how they make this wine. This all has been actually stored for fermentation. Ni hao. 这是什么地方呢？
这是我们的烧酒的后院。
啊。
啊，这是呢我们前面卖酒的，你可以尝一下，免费尝。
哦，免费尝。
啊，尝不？
啊，好，我再尝。
你尝一下，有白酒，有黄酒、米酒啊，葡萄酒都有。
Okay, so I'm in the traditional bar here, and I'm gonna try different kinds of Chinese wines here to just like have a taste. So let's see what we're gonna find. The place is really beautiful and so nice. I don't know. Let's try. No, 我要试试哪个？ I need a bit of everything. What's 全酒?
It's sweet wine. Yeah, it's made from flowers. 12度，哪里有鱼？
那边。
等会儿啊。
那你看。
我说鱼那边。
Yeah.
还有什么呢？
还有一个白酒苗红。
我要看驴。爸爸，我要看驴。
看驴？等会儿啊，等会儿看驴。
这是中国的传统的白酒。
对，咱们
等会儿嘛。
啊。
等会儿。
那为什么看起来比较红？
红高粱。
红高粱酒。
啊，红高啊。
我去。
Is it strong?
Strong.
It's strong. It's like pardon? Tasty?
Tasty.
Yeah.
还有什么呢？
还有红酒。
我试一试吧。
红酒就别试了。
想试一试吧。
红酒不尝了。
我要拍这个树，看起来不错。
看那个小雕塑。The little woman.
Which one?
There, the corner. The little
Oh.
woman.
Oh yeah. Looks so beautiful. Beautiful art over here.